Three.js is a robust and flexible library for 3D graphics on the web, ideal for creative coders. It allows you to create interactive and visually stunning experiences with minimal code. Whether for interactive websites, art installations, or games, Three.js provides the performance and community support to bring your ideas to life. This course will guide you through the basics of Three.js, laying a foundation for your creative coding journey. This course covers the basics of Three.js, including primitives, textures, interactivity, lighting, and more through hands-on projects. You'll build up a versatile code art toolset with each module. If you're eager to explore 3D on the web and have a basic understanding of JavaScript and 3D concepts, this course is for you. It's designed for those seeking a solid grip on the basics and ready to elevate their skills to an intermediate level and beyond, making it a great next step in your creative coding path. I hold a master's degree in computer art and extensive experience as an animator, game developer, and artist. My background includes animation, visual effects, user interfaces, and games, all driven by a passion for creating and sharing knowledge. This course aims to be both practical and inspiring. You should be familiar with JavaScript and have basic knowledge of 3D graphics. If you've ever used tools like Blender, Maya, or other 3D software, you're in a good place to start. The goal here is to build on what you already know and to take it further, applying these concepts to the web with Three.js. Let's go!